open any browsers to type like that, and first URL type, you can see asus.com, just click on it. Then this is your laptop, just click on it. After that, click on support, then click on driver, select OS. This is your laptop, scroll down. Now you can see this is a touchpad driver in the point device, and just click on download. You can extract if you install. Okay, install this one also. Yeah, click to download, and it is completed. Just single click, then click on yes. Now you want to change the language, so change it. Just click on select, otherwise click to OK. Then next, this is I agree, and you just accept. Okay, accept, then next, install, select next, then next, and just click to install. Okay, it will take some time, might be milliseconds of it's completed. Then restart your system. Yeah, restart.